To create a boomerang on Instagram, start by opening the Instagram app and navigating to the camera section. You can do this by tapping the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are in the camera section, swipe across the options at the bottom of the screen until you reach the boomerang option, which is denoted by a boomerang icon. Tap the boomerang icon to switch to boomerang mode. In this mode, your camera will record a short video that plays forward and backward in a loop. To record a boomerang, tap and hold the record button. You can record a boomerang for up to 3 seconds by holding the button for that long. As you record, try to capture a fun or interesting moment, such as a dance move, a funny face, or a quick action. The key to a good boomerang is to make sure the action is short and snappy. Once you have recorded your boomerang, you can trim it to make it shorter or longer. You can also add filters or drawings to make it more interesting. To add a filter, tap the filter icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and swipe through the options to choose one that you like. To add drawings or text, tap the drawing icon at the top right corner of the screen and use your finger to draw or type on the boomerang. When you are happy with your boomerang, tap the next button to proceed to the editing screen. Here, you can add a caption, tags, and location to your boomerang. Finally, tap the share button to post your boomerang to your Instagram story or feed. You can also save it to your camera roll or send it to your friends via direct message. Remember, the key to creating a great boomerang is to keep it short, fun, and engaging. Experiment with different actions, filters, and drawings to make your boomerangs stand out.